Hello, my name is Denny. I'm with FGAProducts.com, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to change the spooled ribbon in your manual typewriter. For our demonstration, we'll be using a 1949 Smith Corona portable typewriter. Yours might look a little different depending on the make and model you have, but all have the same basic components. I'll begin by doing a run through to identify the components and to show you how easy it is. Then I'll go back and do it again using tweezers, showing the step-by-step process. To begin, open the dust cover to gain access to the area you'll need to work in. Once the dust cover is raised, you'll notice the two spools, one on each side. Near the ribbon spools, you should locate the two ribbon guides, one on the right and one on the left. In the center, you'll also see the vibrator. This stabilizes the ribbon, where it's then struck by the slug, transferring the ink to the page. My preference is just to use my fingers. If you don't want to get ink on your fingers, you can always use tweezers. You can see how easy it is. Again, begin by opening the dust cover. You can start with either side. I'll begin on the left. First, remove the ribbon from the ribbon guide by looking for the slot. Simply work one edge of the ribbon through the slot and lift it out. And do the same thing on the other side. Once you've removed it from the guides, go to the vibrator. Where you'll need to work it out of the vibrator guides. This can usually be done with a simple down and up motion. Once the ribbon is free of the guides, you can remove the spools from the spool cups by lifting them out. To reinstall your new ribbon, it's basically just a reverse process. You notice, make sure the ribbon will be feeding from the top or the side nearest the platen. Begin by inserting the spools onto the spindles in each spool cup and pushing them down into place. With the spools seated in the cups, begin by inserting the ribbon through the slot in the ribbon guide on one side and then the other. Once the ribbon's installed in the guides, move to the vibrator. Holding the ribbon out on each side of the vibrator, use a simple down and up motion again to reinstall it through its guides. Now with the ribbon in place, you can check your work by just using your finger to spin the spool to take the slack out of it, and also take note that the guide isn't, or the ribbon isn't twisted. If you have a typewriter that uses colored ribbons, you'll have a lever with different colored indicators, in this case, the dots. If you have this feature, FGA Products also offers these multicolored ribbons in black, black and red, and black and white. If your typewriter happens to be a Remington, it might use larger spindles. In this case, your new spools have an adapter or a knockout that you can simply use a pencil or pen to push out the insert. This will accommodate the larger spindles. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful, and we'll watch for the others in the future.